The importance of SAS Base amid open source tools enhancing data analysis with SAS Base. This blog could explore how SAS Base improves data analysis. Its advanced features include data management, reporting, and statistical analysis. It could explore SAS Base's efficiency and accuracy in data processing. It could also cover its ability to handle large data sets and its integration with other analysis tools. The post could also give tips on optimizing SAS Base for specific tasks. Leveraging SAS Base for data management, data validation functions for ensuring data accuracy, data integration tools for combining data from multiple sources, data extraction techniques for retrieving specific datasets, data transformation capabilities for converting data into usable formats, a comprehensive solution for statistical analysis. SAS Base offers unmatched tools for statistical analysis. Its techniques are the best in the industry. SAS Base has it all for data analysts. It covers basic stats to advanced predictive modeling. They can use it to make data-driven decisions. The future of data analytics with SAS Base. As the field of data analytics continues to evolve, SAS Base remains a reliable and indispensable tool for data professionals. SAS Base has advanced programming, strong data management, and great stats tools. It can meet the industry's growing demands. Conclusion. In conclusion, open source tools have their merits. But SAS Base is vital in data analysis and statistical programming. Its importance cannot be overstated.